These are all real.
What's really scary is that those faces are on the wall.
Yeah.
The heads are on the wall.
We chop the heads off.
Yeah, I couldn't be in Noah's Ark.
Good thing my head isn't.
I'd probably be afraid.
Good thing my head isn't going up to the
Ooh,
wall.
this is awful.
I do know what now. Good thing I'm not there was. So wait a minute. I know what you're doing. Don't touch that skull. That one freaks me out.
Oh, it's fake. What? It feels nasty. Yeah, it was wet.
This is so weird. Oh my God, there's so many of them.
How do you know when should we be going? I do not want to see none of this in real
So
life. Guys,
creepy.
Mom, look.
And this is why I am a city girl.
Mom, turn around. These I have so many bones.
Why are they saying there's still somebody?
That's a lot of creepy bones. Hey, Mom, Tamar, look at those bones. Man, that's gonna creep me out. Oh, no. How did they make them fly? That would be a good fruit. That would be good. That's cool. That's interesting. Guys, come over here. Oh, no.
Ew, good God, these things are creepy as hell. Ooh. I shouldn't probably, but I'm like, man, this stuff is creepy looking.
Mom, you know what these are? Those things are big.
Life support?
Oh my God. Mom, you know what these things are?
What?
These are bioluminescents.
Cool.
There's some type of jellyfish that grows everywhere. They glow.
Shoot.
These fish are not.
Here go. This is why I never learned how to hunt.
Mommy, these are real.
Yep, all of it is real.
Mom, and these are bioluminescents. They look plastic. Look at that angler.
They have to put a coating on it so it'll survive. You think you want to smell what dead animal smells like?
No. Oh, that's
I forgot what it's called.
A swordfish. Look
I'm gonna leave that to the professionals.
Guys, look at the jaws.
Ew, look in the inside of the swordfish.
That's a black martin. Look at these. And these are bioluminescents. Oh, these are cool.
Only my son can pronounce that. Whatever he just said.
Bioluminescents.
Bioluminescent.
Thought we were not supposed to touch anything.
Are
we supposed to touch that? Or we can touch those or what?
Yeah, you guys can touch the first. We just asked not to touch them out.
Oh, okay, cool.
Why can't we not touch them?
Because
I think this is where my weave is at right here. Look at that. That's some good wet and wavy hair. Oh Lord, let me stop. All right. I don't want that weave. Whew, Jesus, no. Take the wheel. Oh, this makes me feel so skinny. I'm just so happy that I don't need to lose weight after seeing all these animals. Shoot, they eat off the land. They heavier than me. Guess I'm doing pretty good then. This is some creepy stuff.
Can we touch these pictures?
yeah, you guys can touch those.
Wait, look at. Mom, look, a raccoon. This is what a raccoon's.
Hey, Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
Oh, okay.
It died.
Okay. That's not creepy at all.
Mom, how do I look like in the fur? Mom, look at the fur.
Corey, don't creep me out here, okay? Barely making it here. Barely making it.
That's a war. That's